Namaste, good morning class 7. Our lesson is sorts of trade based on agriculture and cooperation skill, and I have been teaching this lesson for many days because I have told this lesson in very vast for you. Cooperative, also we have found one cooperative, and never forget name of the cooperative, write in your copy also. Sagarmatha Agriculture Cooperative Organization. In this way, in your future also you can establish any organization, any cooperative. You can start your occupational life by establishing this cooperative and doing any business, any occupation by the help of the cooperative. So now I don't say more about this cooperative, but always keep in mind Sagarmatha Agriculture Cooperative Organization is our cooperative organization for 7th class. Importance of cooperative today I will write and describe. Cooperative creates employment opportunity. Sagarmatha Agriculture Cooperative Organization that I had given example. This is like one organization, one office. In this office there were 4 members working. One was the officer, that is Suman, Mr. Suman Shah. Other was accountant Lokendra Yadav, and 2 members were there. 2 staffs, other staffs were there, Sargam Yadav and Ragini Shah. So they four are the employee who work in this organization. They 4 are the staffs who work in this organization. In the same way, if the cooperative is very big, there may be 20 members, 50 members work in cooperative. And if cooperative give any other type of program like training program in the society, then in this way cooperative can create employment opportunity for many people. Many people involved in this cooperative. Many people work in the cooperative. So cooperative organization can create employment opportunity. Employment opportunities for the people. Cooperative organization can create not only creates, we can write cooperative creates employment opportunity for the people. Cooperative creates investment INVEST investment for the people to do any occupation or business. Cooperative creates investment for the people to do any occupation or business. Cooperative provides various types of employment oriented training for the people. Cooperative provides various types of employment oriented trainings for the people, and cooperative helps for the local and national development. Cooperative helps for the local and national development. Cooperative helps the farmers or other professionals to do their vocation in group and find the solutions for various problems. Cooperative helps the farmers or other professionals to do their vocation in group and find the solution for various problems. So these are the important points, importance of cooperative, and this question is also important. Sometimes it is asked in examination. So you should learn this. And now there is exercise. This lesson is finished totally today, and we should go towards exercise. You write this in your copy by pausing my video. I'll clean this now. There are questions, many questions in exercise. We should be serious about the question and do exercise. What is agriculture-based trade? The trading activities related to agriculture is called agricultural based trade. Buying or selling of agricultural products is agricultural based trade. Introduce agriculture business with example. This buying and selling of agricultural products in the market, like buying and selling of rice, grain, vegetables, meat, oil, butter. These are agricultural based business. How can a wholesalers be attracted? By giving discount, price, offer, the wholesalers be attracted. What kind of skills are needed to work in cooperative? Teamwork skill is needed. Kinds of skills: teamwork skill, leadership skill, communicative skill. These skills are needed to work in a cooperative. Why are cooperative important? I have written this importance of cooperative. So you can write these questions yourself. And now 2 number is there. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. With appropriate words given in the box. With appropriate words given in the box below. First I will give some words for you. In this way you can get help and you can do this yourself. (2010) positive group work. Self-centered. Self-centered. Soul. Honest. About. Agriculture. These are some words, appropriate words. You have to fill up the blank spaces by using these words. And now A number is a risky endeavor. Then B, performing group a performing group has dot dot again dot and again dot group members. Group member. C, farmers are more united and active. Farmers are more united and active in ... Then cooperative. Then D number, an agricultural market is a market where agricultural products are ... and ... Then last E number is there. The cooperative department was established. The cooperative department was established in BS. So now this lesson is finished. You should do exercise yourself. Some questions, easy questions are there, and last question, importance of cooperative, already I have written. So now I say you nothing except goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you.